and thank you for joining us. We're Group 2, and our project is called Reviving the Library Data Driven Donations and Registrations. I'm Alexa Davis, and with me is Nicholas Calloway. Today is April 13th, 2025, and we're excited to walk you through our system enhancement proposal for the Friends of the Library Macon website. Project Overview. Our project focuses on improving the Friends of the Library Macon website, which currently supports events, donations, and volunteer opportunities. Right now, the site lacks smooth features for registering, ordering books, signing up to volunteer, or donating. Our goal is to enhance the website's data system by creating a user-friendly platform that allows visitors to register, request books, volunteer, and donate all in one place. This improvement will simplify the user experience, increase community engagement, and help boost donations, making the library's operations more efficient and impactful. Project Scope. We're developing a user registration system for members along with a book ordering feature, a volunteer sign-up form, and an online donation portal. Each feature is designed to improve data collection and boost user engagement, helping the library better serve the community through a more efficient and interactive website. Systems Requirements Overview. This slide explains the purpose of our System Requirements Document, or SRD. It lays out how we'll build features like book ordering, donations, and volunteer signups, and acts as a roadmap for improving the website's data and user systems. It keeps our team on the same page with goals and technology while making sure all features meet the needs of both users and staff. Key sections of the SRD cover technical feasibility, can we build it, operational feasibility, will people use it, economic feasibility, is it affordable, and functional requirements, what the system must actually do. This is a sample system request form designed for the Friends of the Library Macon website. It allows users to submit requests for volunteering or system needs by entering basic contact info and describing how they want to help. The form also includes optional fields for urgency, budget, and launch date, making it flexible for different types of requests. This helps the library collect organized, consistent data and streamlines the process of responding to community support. This slide visualizes our team's Gantt chart. This Gantt chart outlines our 4-week project timeline. Weeks 1 and 2 focused on planning, research, and creating the system requirements document. Weeks 3 and 4 were used to design wireframes, build a prototype, and run basic testing. Our final deliverables include the demo screens and this presentation to show how the system works and supports the library's goals. Product Perspective. This enhancement strengthens the Friends of the Library Macon website by adding 4 key features: registration, book ordering, volunteering, and donations. Each of these features connects to a system behind the scenes, like a user database for account info, payment gateways for donations, a book inventory system for orders, and volunteer tools to manage event signups. Together, these connections help the website function smoothly and support both users and library staff.
Hello, this is Nicholas Calloway. For this project, I'm going to be talking about the slides 8 through 16. First one right here is going to be the product features. This is going to be talking about the implements we're bringing for the website to make it more simple and easy for customers to access parts of the website that they are trying to reach. So, for example, we have multiple different things, but first one I'm going to talk about is going to be the book ordering. This just makes it easier for users to request books online or reserve ones that are upcoming that the library is going to have. Another big thing going to be the donation portal. So it's going to be simple and secure online donations when payment integration. This just makes it more safe and makes customers feel more safe doing things in terms of this so that they're not at risk for potential scams or something like that. Um, but also, we have data collection, which stores user, volunteer, and donation information in one system. This makes it easier to access this. So, a user has information that we're trying to see about them, or a book that they've bought or anything like that. The library will be able to do so much easier with this implemented. So for the user classes and characteristics, these are going to be the classes of the type of people that are accessing the library website and the characteristics of them. So, for example, we have four different things: the library patrons, which age ranges are varied, but they use site to register, order books, or donate. We have the volunteers, which are local community members most of the time. Um, they use the site for events and log hours. We have donors, which may be patrons or support outside of Macon. Um, they use the site occasionally to make contributions, though, as a donor. And the library staff and admins, they manage users, book requests, and volunteer schedules. Moderate tech skills, use dashboard tools regularly. These are going to be the people regulating, the website for the people accessing it and things like that. All right, and for this page, we have the assumptions and dependencies. Under the assumptions, this is going to be the library, has stable internet and hosting services. The current website platform can support the added features that we're bringing, and the library staff can manage these new system tools. The dependencies are going to be things like the payment gateway integration for donation processing, book inventory system for tracking orders, and secure database to store user info and donation information so that it is safe and not up for grabs from you possible vulnerabilities. All right, so for the business process and functional requirements, the business process improvements, this is mainly used to simplify and make it easier for um, not only the customers but for the workers also. So it will help simplify volunteer sign up and tracking. It makes donating easier and more accessible. This reduces manual data entry for staff, meaning they have not quite as much more not quite as much work to do just because it's going to be more simplified. The functional requirements, this is going to help secure user registration and login information. It's going to help book ordering with the confirmation system, and it's going to online donation form with payment processing. It's going to help that as well. This is mainly just used to simplify, though, in the grand scheme of things, to make it more simple for the user and for the staff of the library. All right, for the feasibility analysis, this is for the technical feasibility. This can be built using existing website platform and tools, meaning we don't have to bring in completely new things, but it will require basic integration with payment and database systems. Um, for the economic feasibility, the low cost tools are available for nonprofits, and then increased donations and event signups can offset costs. For the operational feasibility, um, this will make it easier for the library staff as they won't have to train super hard to learn how to use this because the goal of this is to simplify what they have to do. All right, for the non-functional requirements, this is going to change the performance of the library, meaning it's going to create faster load times for all the pages on the website. It's going to support multiple users registering or donating at once, meaning it can control more traffic and be okay with it. Security-wise, this will make it more secure with the payment gateway for donations. It'll encrypt user data and form submissions, meaning that they can't be hacked or stolen or anything of that sort. For the safety, so bring regular data backups to prevent loss, meaning we will keep um, customer information so that in the future, if something does happen, we will be able to bring that back and remember who they are. All right, risk mitigation. So, how risks are addressed using familiar tools to reduce technical issues, clear timeline and task assignments to stay on schedule, focus scope to keep costs low and manageable. For the risk categories, we have analysis, design, coding, testing, planning, and team. For a couple of them, it'll be analysis, it'll be double checked user needs before design. For design, it'll be simple layouts to avoid confusion on delays. For planning, we have Gantt charts, however you pronounce it, used to guide progress, meaning this is used to stay on plan to avoid possible um, risk going forward with the website. So, for the conclusion and next steps of this, the main goals of this is we will be enhancing the website with support registration, book ordering, volunteering, and donations, improving user experience and library operations, built with low cost and user friendly tools, um, which, overall is to make it easier on not only the library workers, but also the customers for the library. For the next steps, we will finalize the prototype features, review feedback from users, and prepare for implementation phase.
If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below, or you can message myself or Mr. Calloway directly.